Question number 13, exercise 1, page 7, probability. Two cards are drawn successively. See, two types of events are there. Successively means one after another. With replacement, without replacement. With replacement, independent events. That means if, for example, from this, if you have drawn a card or a marble, anything, if you are not replacing, and then if you want to draw the second one, then you will definitely ask, sir, what was the color of the first one? That means color of the second will depend on the what was the draw from the first one. So they will become dependent. But if you replace back and again draw, any number of time you can draw this, then they will become independent. Like tossing a coin and to keep on repeating, 10th draw, if I ask what is the probability of getting head, you will not ask, sir, what was the toss in the ninth, head or tail. So because every event is independent. So here, as this is with the replacement, so they will be independent. Find the probability of both spade. That means E1 first one is spade, intersection E2. What are the E1, E2? E1 is the first drawn card is spade. E2 is the second drawn card is spade. Both must happen. First one must be spade and second one must be spade. So this is equal to probability of E1 into probability of E2 because they are mutually independent events. What is the probability of E1? Probability of spade is 13C1. Out of 13 spade, 52C1. Into same 13 upon 52. So this is 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 4. 1 upon 16 will be the answer. So thank you.